there, I'm Chip. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that could be a really cool opportunity for a lot of people. Starting a side hustle and repairing washing machines and dryers. It's a great first step if you're thinking about getting into the appliance repair industry. These machines are relatively easier to fix compared to some other appliances, and there's a huge demand for technicians who know how to repair them. Sure, you might want to expand and start fixing other appliances in the future, but starting with washing machines and dryers is a good place to begin. It'll give you the experience and knowledge and the confidence you need to take on more complex repairs. And let's be real, washing machines and dryers are appliances we use every day, and like anything else, they're going to need repairs and maintenance eventually. And that's where you come in. If you have the skills and the knowledge to fix these issues, there's a constant demand for your services. Plus, with smart home technology on the rise, these machines are getting even more advanced and feature rich, meaning there will be more opportunities for repair and maintenance in the future. And as appliances age, they're more likely to need repairs, providing more opportunities for you to grow your business. Did you know that demand for appliance repair technicians is on the rise? According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, it's expected to grow by 4% as far out as 2030. Now that's pretty much average for all occupations, but the great thing is that washing machine and dryer repairs are always in demand. People always need to wash their clothes, right? So it's a pretty stable gig, even during tough economic times. So if you're handy with tools and you enjoy fixing things, it might be worth considering as a side hustle, or even a new career like I did. I'm a retired aircraft pilot, and I took this up only a few months after I retired. It's also a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable business. It's important to note that starting a side hustle and washer and dryer repair isn't going to be for everyone. It requires a certain level of technical knowledge and skills, and you may need a supplemental income, also known as a day job, while you pick up the skills to make this a viable business. But if you're interested in starting a side hustle in appliance repair, we've got you covered. We've got loads of resources to help you out. We've got videos and articles on different topics to help you get started. Our video comment section is full of people that have shared their experiences with problems they've run into with their machines, and feedback from me and other technicians on suggestions to fix their particular problems. We also have videos of making specialty tools that you might find useful in your new venture. I'll put a couple of links up here for some of those. And also videos on how to run your business, what common problems you might run into, and how to fix them. We are just getting into expanding our videos on running the business. Keep watching because we have more topics planned on the business aspects of this, as well as continuing our weekly videos on a repair that we did during the week. And if you're getting value from my videos, please consider supporting me by clicking that like button. And if my videos help you in any way, you can really help grow the channel by clicking that thanks button below and making a small contribution. It helps to pay for the equipment I need to improve the channel. Now, back to the task at hand. Now just keep in mind, it's not just about knowing how to use tools and machinery, it's also about understanding the inner workings of these appliances. So if you're not too familiar with all that, it might be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we're here to help. We continue to publish content on how to run your business successfully, the common problems you're going to find as a technician, how to diagnose and fix them. If you find a particular problem with a washer or dryer, we probably have a video for that. Just take a moment, browse through our content, and see if you can find an answer to your problem. If you're not familiar with the inner workings of these appliances, it can be difficult to diagnose and fix problems at first. It's not only about knowing how to use tools and machinery, but also about understanding the specific components that make up washing machines and dryers. So if you're thinking about starting a side hustle and doing this, there are just a few things you should know. Now, first off, you need a basic understanding of how electrical systems work and know your way around the different parts like motors, control boards, and sensors. And we cover that. Also, it's good to have a handle on common issues like clogged drains, broken belts, faulty thermostats, and fuses. It can be a bit tricky taking apart and putting back together appliances and making repairs, but it's all part of the job, and you can learn it here by browsing through our videos or selecting our playlist below and spending some time to watch the content there. I'll put a link to one of them up here. But it's not just about technical stuff. Customer relations are just as important. You'll be the face of your company, so it's key to be punctual, communicate clearly, and make sure your customers are happy with the service you provide. That's what's going to keep your business running. Another important thing to keep in mind when starting a side hustle like this is how you conduct yourself during service calls. This means being professional, dressing the part, being polite and courteous when you're in someone's home. It's also good to have all the necessary paperwork with you, like service invoices and any warranty information you offer, as well as leaving your business cards too. Now that's a great way to expand your business, word of mouth from one customer to the next with just the information from the business card you left them. And don't forget to correct change and offer several methods of payment too. Now when you get to the point of making service calls, there are a few things you should always keep in mind, like being respectful of the customer's property, keeping the work area clean and organized, and using protective covers to protect floors and furniture around your job area. It's also good to be prepared with all the tools, parts, equipment you're going to need to get the job done on the first visit. And proper inventory management also going to be critical for this successful repair business. This means keeping track of all the parts and the tools you use during service calls, so you're always ready for any situation that might come up. And last but not least, setting up a proper repair shop and stocking a well-equipped service vehicle is important for the success of your business. Now, a service vehicle could be run out of the trunk of your car at first, or you could use an old beater pickup truck. But don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to get started. A lot of people begin by working from their garage or small home workshop. You just need a few tools and some knowledge. And you can even start by fixing up used machines that you can pick up for cheap and resell for a profit while you learn the ropes. This will not only help you build your skills, but it also make you some cash. Starting small and fixing up used machines is a great way to dip your toes into this business. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can grow and earn more money. And once you've got more experience and confidence, you can start taking on service calls and using your earnings to invest in better tools and equipment. And just to sum it up, starting a side hustle in washing machine and dryer repair takes a certain level of technical know-how and being comfortable working with tools and machinery. It's also helpful to be good at working independently and solving problems. If you're into that kind of thing, then it might be a great opportunity for you. And don't worry, we've got you covered with loads of resources to help you learn everything you need to know. Remember, you can find all the knowledge you need to start your business on this channel. It's also important to consider the investment required. You will need to purchase the necessary tools and equipment and replacement parts that you're going to need to make repairs, and also you need to acquire a business license and insurance. If you want to be successful in this side hustle, you've got to have customer skills and be able to talk to your clients like a pro. And of course, you need to be able to diagnose and fix problems quickly and efficiently. All in all, starting a side hustle in washing machine and dryer repair can be a great way to make some extra cash if you've got the skills and you're willing to put in the work. It can be tough sometimes, but also really rewarding. And thanks for tuning in. And if you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and keep watching for more content on how to grow your business. Chip out.